right, tail for him, and then our firefighter, and all the other good stuff. There we go. Help, help. Okay, so I'm going to have a fireman down here who's going to be a Dalmatian, and he's going to be trying to turn this off. So he has a wrench, which I use this candy mold right here. What I did is I put white chocolate with 1 chip of black chocolate and mixed them together. So that's why it's a dark gray. And then I've got new silver luster dust, and I'm just going to go ahead and dry dust it. And so this is what he's going to be using then to try to stop the leak and try to save the day. Yes, save the day. So there's that one. I have some other candy molds that I'll show you in a little bit that I use for some other things. But I kind of want to have that done in case he needs to actually hold it. So I am going to start with the white. And it's still going to be the same shape, teardrop shape. So ball, back and forth this way, and teardrop shape like that. And then what I'll do is here on the side, take a ball, finger here. So it's the same shape again. Place this one here, bend this down, and then push in here and here for the feet. And another one on the other side. Okay, so that's his basic body. He'll probably go either here. It looks like she's looking for him there, except for the wrench goes that way. I'll decide in a second, I guess. Okay, I want to give him a little fireman coat, so the little yellow coat. So I'm actually going to do that before I put the arms and stuff on. So for this, I'll need to roll it out just a tad bit. Okay, I'm going to cut at an angle and cut about here. And I'll probably still need to cut this down, but I don't want to cut too much off. So you have the long coat, come around the front. So I don't want to cut any shorter, I mean, as far as the length, but I just need to cut down the top. So I'll keep the wider part, bring this around. And I think I'll even go, they're usually long coats, but I think I'm going to go short. So I'll overlap it like that, and then bend this back and this back, and then just kind of scrunch this part up. And it can be kind of flopped over like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. What do you mean doesn't have to be perfect? Okay, now this is where I kind of need to decide where he's going to be sitting for his arms. Probably here, I guess. And then this, I almost need to just, you know, like prop it up here. Maybe like he's gonna fix it, I'll just lay it like that. Okay, so I can do the arms now. So the ball, this one, I just still have one side be a little bit thicker than the other. Take this now, push in here and rotate and open that up like so. Then this is gonna go from here down to there. He's gonna be holding that, and he probably has some gloves, so I'll do those in black, but I'll wait so I don't get my hand